The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You activated late. Finally.
Located 11 nautical miles northwest of K Tower.
Shut up.
Source, radar indicated. In excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
The National Weather Service has issued an I don't care warning.